everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I got another unboxing to share with you, and this is a bi-monthly subscription box, and it's called the Natural Wellness Box. This is how it arrives in the post. It's got my address on the back there. So if you're new to the Natural Wellness Box, I'll give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you know all there is to know about it and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this box, then you will find a timestamp listed down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I've been receiving this box now for, I think it's over a year, and it is one of my favourite boxes. It's a little bit different and it's all centred around your wellness. All items are cruelty free and vegan, and all the skincare is all 100% natural. You may also find health supplements and health snacks as well. The cost of the box is £38, and that includes shipping within the UK. It ships internationally for an additional £9.95. They offer a 6-month subscription for £108 and a 12-month subscription for £218. If you opt for the bi-monthly subscription, you can cancel any time. Each box has a theme, and the aim of the Natural Wellness Box is to make you healthy and beautiful from the inside out. If you fancy trying one of these boxes out for yourself, but you're not sure about the commitment of a subscription, they do offer one-off boxes for £42, and you are able to see past boxes on their website as well. All links and everything related to this box, including a discount code which is not affiliated. I don't receive anything for it, but you're welcome to use it. It's Diary10, so I'll add that code and links to the subscription and the website down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that would bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's get on to showing you what's inside. So in every box you'll find a leaflet, and it tells you everything about the products inside the box, and it also gives you the price as well, so I'm able to toss it up at the end to give you an overall value. I've already had a sneak peek, so I know what's inside, but I haven't actually eaten anything or smelt anything then. Hopefully you can see there a little bit of a sneak peek. So the theme for this bi-monthly box is the Comfort Collection, and the first item in the box is a Superfruit Face Milk by Farren Amber Skincare. There's 50 mils here, and it's grapefruit and sunflower with organic prickly pear, calamine and rose quartz. That sounds absolutely gorgeous. Apply 3 to 6 drops to cleanse skin. Treat yourself to a facial massage to help the oils absorb. Mineral separation is normal, so shake well. Okay, so there. It feels lovely. It feels like a face oil. Oh my word! Oh, that smell is gorgeous. Yeah, I can smell the grapefruit. Oh, what else is there? Prickly pear. Gorgeous, gorgeous scent. It just feels exactly like a nice face oil. There, so what else can I tell you about it? So the recommended retail price for this face milk is £29.50. It's suitable for stressed and combination skins, hand blended with potent raw botanical plant oils, natural minerals and rose quartz crystals to brighten, detoxify and soothe stressed skin. And it just says apply 3 to 6 drops onto cleansed damp skin. So that's the first item in the box. Next we've got a candle, and this is by the brand Farren, and this is Nourish It, scented soy candle with ylang ylang and bergamot. Love the design of this candle. Very, very simple. Very minimalist, but I do really like it. See soy candle there. It is gorgeous. Definitely a cozy autumnal winter sort of scent. I can't wait to try this. I'm going to put it in my living room this evening. So to buy this candle, it will cost you £18. It says a rich exotic scent of ylang ylang blends here with a fresh bitter scent of bergamot. It's vegan, cruelty free and hand poured in small batches in Hackney, London. Made from the finest soy wax, a great vegan alternative to paraffin wax. Burning cleaner and longer, and also contains a high concentration blend, 10% of essential oils. So there's that. Next we've got an Antioxidant Multitasking Super Balm, and this is by Nourish London. Looks like there. These multi-purpose balms are amazing all year round, but particularly in the winter when you've got more dryness going on generally. It could be from your cuticles. I know I suffer really badly with dryness on my cuticles. Dry lips. I've actually got corners of my lips at the moment. I'm feeling quite dry, which I don't like. They can be used on your face as masks, etc. Everyone should have a multi-purpose balm in their household, definitely. Right, how can I try it without getting my nails in it? I have got spatulas for when I've got little jars like this. Just try it a little bit here on the corner, because obviously I've got the face milk there. There. What's this smell like then? Oh, that smells gorgeous. And oh, it's got here actually what you can do with it. It doesn't tell me about the scent, but it says you can use it to cleanse and exfoliate, you can use it as a mask, and you can use it as a moisturiser on dry patches. So similar to what I said earlier on, but I don't know what that smell is. It smells edible though. So to buy this balm it'll cost you £12. It says a supercharged multi-purpose balm to cleanse, nourish and protect the skin. Formulated using a potent blend of pure natural plant oils and extracts, this cleansing and nourishing balm works wonders on the skin either as a gentle yet effective cleanser or as a nourishing skin treat. Can be used as a cleanser, mask or an intensive moisturiser from head to toe. I really like that. So there's that. Next we've got a cleansing cloth, and this is by LBB Skin Rescue Take Off Touchdown. I've never heard of them before. It's a cleanse, tone and refresh extra large face and body cleansing cloth, and it's dermatologically tested and biodegradable. And yeah, it just says here cruelty free and vegan on the back. Infused with a prebiotic complex to help balance skin, plant-based salicylic acid gently exfoliates while red algae extract hydrates. Skin is left deeply cleansed, soft and refreshed for an all-in-one skincare routine on the go. Whoa, I love the idea of these. I'm just thinking night away somewhere or something, popping this in my bag. Open the cloth and begin cleansing the face, neck and décolleté. Fold over and continue to cleanse the body, leaving the feet until last. That sounds amazing, doesn't it? I want to open it up, but I don't want to waste it either, so I'm not going to open it up. But if you'd like to see what they look like, there's a website here. It's www.lbbskin.com. So yeah. So this is a sample. To buy a pack of 12 of them, it will cost you £25, and then the information just goes on to telling you what I've just read off the back here. So you've got a cleansing cloth. We're leaving the sweet treats to last. So next item is a product by Life Armour, and this is 100% natural nutrition, and these are drops of immunity with vitamin C to help support your immune system and overall well-being. And there's 30 mils here. I really like the sound of that. I keep on coming down with colds. I'm actually coming out of a cold at the moment, and I'm just taking cold and flu capsules because I got headaches, I got aches, the sniffles and things. I'm eating quite healthy. I'm limiting alcohol. Yeah, I take supplements. I take a lot of supplements as well, and I seem to be, there's 5 of us in our house, and I seem to be the only one getting these reoccurrent colds all the time. So I don't know whether it's something to do with my health. I'm pretty healthy, but I have got an underactive thyroid, and I battle with like absorption issues then with my vitamins and minerals. But I think I'm generally okay at the moment. But who knows? This sounds amazing though. This sounds really great. So it says here 100% natural, alcohol-free and vegan-friendly tincture. As a food supplement, take 1 full pipette daily for well-being support or as often as required if not feeling your best. Alternatively, as directed by a healthcare professional. It says created by experts, backed by science. Modern life can take its toll. Life Armour's 100% natural formulas work in harmony with your body. Made in the UK using only the finest quality active ingredients and nothing more. Drops of Immunity Plus combines high level of vitamin C with adaptogens that work to support your body where and when needed, keeping you at your best. After all, your wellness matters. The recommended retail price for these drops is £22. It's got here, blend it with your smoothie, add it to your breakfast bowl or take on the go. So there's that. We got 2 foodie items. So the first one is a hot chocolate. This is Cocoa Bar Eat, Drink, Love Chocolate, 53% dark hot chocolate spoon, and it looks massive. Look. Oh, brilliant for a massive mug there. Oh wow, I love these things. I absolutely love them, and the kids do as well. You just put it in a cup, pour in some hot milk, stir it around and wait for it to melt, and Lovely, really lovely. So to buy this hot chocolate spoon, it would cost you £2.75. The perfect indulgent comforting drink, suitable for vegans. However, as it's made in the same environment as our milk chocolate, we cannot guarantee it is free from milk traces. Contains a minimum of 53.8% cocoa solids. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a huge box of popcorn. This is by the brand Popcorn Shed, and this is in a butterscotch. It's vegan, and it's salted butterscotch gourmet popcorn. Got 80 grams there. Let's open it up and give it a go. So look at that there. We all love popcorn in this house. Whenever we get it, it doesn't last long at all. That is so nice. Oh, the smell. That is so nice. Oh my word. They are gorgeous. I really like them. Apologies if I got popcorn in my teeth. I hope I haven't. To buy this popcorn, it would cost you £4. Each monster mushroom kernel is air popped to create fluffy popcorn that is then lightly coated with a delicious butterscotch caramel, gluten-free and suitable for vegans, winner of the 2019 Great Taste Award, carefully selected from a panel of experts for its light buttery taste. Yeah, definitely gorgeous. Definitely gorgeous popcorn there. So those are all the products inside the November-December Natural Wellness box. To recap, I'll just go through them one by one. We've got a ylang ylang and bergamot candle. We've got a superfruit face milk. We've got an antioxidant, multitasking super balm. We've got drops of immunity. We've got a skin rescue, face and body cleansing cloth. We've got a hot chocolate spoon. And lastly, we got some popcorn, a butterscotch popcorn. Cost of this box is £38 and the value comes in at just over £80, so well above the cost of the box. Again, I really like this box. It never fails me. It is an exciting box to receive. I really like it, the fact that you get different things in there. I love having the sweet treats, but a candle, I'm obsessed with candles. I think the thought behind the box is really well this month. We've got a multi-purpose balm, we've got the immunity drops, the luxurious face milk and the body cloths. Definitely a comforting theme going on. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to the Natural Wellness box, or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.